So this is my mistake. So I'll go into insane man. So it was my day. So today. So this is my tire, and I'll give you this video. Okay, so this is the pandesal and gave us so I can sell this up on wood. And so I was in the abandoned some. Okay, I'll flip the sides. So this was one that I was thinking of for. So I'll get on the side. Okay, now this is the pandesal. Okay, so the rain there's a kid that, so okay, do not go to lightning, it's dangerous. So if you join my subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.